Hello, this is a quick demonstration of how to copy-paste formulas from Excel or Google Sheets into the protocols.io editor into a table. So I'm going to paste PCR reaction setup into the table here. And in order to do that with the formulas, if you go to Microsoft Excel, what you want to do, you can see there are formulas in the third column. What you want to do is go to Formulas and then click on Show Formulas so that it's not just the numbers you're copying and pasting. The exact same thing works in Google Sheets. You go to View, select Show Formulas, or you can use Control tilde to toggle back and forth. So here's Control tilde, back and forth, and I'm going to select the table from Excel or Google Sheets, go into the table in the Protocols.io editor, paste it in, and if you double click on the columns, this is a number, this is a formula. So it's as simple as that. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.